Magandang araw po! Bicol International Airport Progress Report. The most SCENIC gateway makes great headway. The much-awaited Bicol International Airport BIA in Daraga, Albay is now more than halfway complete with 68.7% overall progress rate. As of September 29, 2020, Package 2A of the Airport Development Project, which covers the construction of landside facilities and other buildings, is 83.6% complete. Meanwhile, Package 2B, covering the construction of the PTB and runway extension, as well as the construction of the taxiway, drainage, and other site development works, is 40% complete. The airport, which is set to be completed within the year, can accommodate a total of 2 million passengers every year, which will boost air traffic and tourist arrivals in the region. Makeover. Once fully operational, the airport is envisioned to be a key in transforming Albay province in the Bicol region into an economic powerhouse, which the Bicolanos will greatly benefit from for years to come. Partner DOTR Aviation and Airport Sectors Works. Build partners for change.